Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option Display. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option which is called Screen Timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 2 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately marked. Moreover, here we've got the option keep screen on while viewing, which means that your device will keep the screen on while you're looking at it. So it will basically, it will be based on the front camera. It will try to detect your face and check whether you're looking on the screen or not. So it's up to you whether you want to use it just by using the switcher. I mean, you can turn it on and off. After getting back, you can also see here that we've got a screen timeout set, and it basically means that from now on your device will use the chosen blackout time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.